The best MamoPay personal finance trick comes down to using the app as a controlled money flow system that protects your cash from impulse spending while helping you build predictable savings. MamoPay is built for fast transfers, smooth payments, and simple budgeting, but the real power comes from setting up a two-wallet method that forces structure into your daily expenses. Start by creating one primary wallet for all incoming money. Every dollar you earn, whether salary, freelance income, or side hustle cash, should land in this main wallet. This gives you a clear, single view of your available balance instead of chasing scattered numbers across multiple accounts. Next, set up a secondary wallet with a fixed weekly or monthly amount. This is your spending wallet. Move only the amount you intend to use for essentials like transportation, groceries, or light personal expenses. When the money in this wallet finishes, you stop spending. No overdraft. No temptation to dip into your main balance. This transfers discipline from willpower to system design. Use your main wallet for strategic allocations. Set aside a fixed amount for savings the moment your money arrives. Even a consistent $10, $20, or $50 builds strength over time. Use MamoPay's transaction notes to label every transfer, keeping your financial trail clear. This prevents confusion, supports budgeting, and keeps you in control. Another advantage is using MamoPay to pay or receive payments without exposing your primary bank account. This keeps your core funds safe and reduces the risk of accidental overspending. Treat MamoPay like a controlled spending hub, not a storage vault. The trick is consistency. Money enters one wallet, spending comes from another, and savings stay untouched. This simple structure stabilizes your finances, stops leaks, and helps you grow your balance with minimal stress.